In this video, you will see how these humble water plants are transformed into beautiful luxury handicrafts.
Make sure to subscribe to the EcoCraft channel for more amazing sustainable creations.
Stack them high, keep them dry.
Next bundle coming through.
How did the water hyacinth hold up during the laser engraving process?
The results were excellent, especially the braided samples.
The texture is remarkable.
The metal frame needs to be hidden better by the double twist weave here. The load-bearing capacity increases if we reinforce the base with this steel ring.
This unbleached cotton pairs best with the natural gold tone of the hyacinth.
Let's use a leather rivet here instead of stitching for a modern look.
It's perfect. The lining fits exactly. Let's move to production.
I want something that evokes river pebbles, smooth and organic.
A softer curve here could really elevate the form.
We're exploring a tighter weave for increased rigidity.
Initial elasticity tests show promising results.
Achieving this specific earthy tone requires precision.
This deep moss green will complement the pebble design. The new template produces extremely clean edges.
The new binding technique secures the shape perfectly.
The craftsmanship on this first prototype is exceptional. This is exactly what we envisioned. Ready for production trials.
This terracotta shade is perfect.
We need more of the natural rounds for the next order. On it. Scanning the pallet for the European shipment. Confirmed, all units accounted for. Route these to the container loading dock. Careful with that stack. It's light but tall. Secure the load tight. It's a long way to the port.